Good morning, students. Today our EVS topic is rainy season. So we are going to learn the things used in rainy season and even the animals that we see around us. Students, when it rains and you want to go outside, what do you wear? You wear the raincoat. Even you carry an umbrella.
Yeah.
Okay, students, what do you see in this picture? What the boy is wearing? Yes, he's wearing a raincoat. And the girl? Yes, she is carrying an umbrella. And even we see the lotus. What's the color of the lotus? It's pink in color. And the grass. The color of the grass is green. And we see the clouds. Is it? Clouds. And the color is blue and black. Students, in rainy season, we see the frogs and the snail. And what does the frog say? The frog says, I am a frog. What do I say? I say rabbit, rabbit, rabbit all the day. Students, even we see the mushrooms. And when the sky is clear, we see the rainbow. How many colors do we see in the rainbow? We see 7 colors. And those are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So there are total 7 colors.